What's up, guys? So Metamask is defaulted to interact with the Ethereum network. In this video, we are going to add the Polygon Matic network to our Metamask wallet. You can add other networks on Metamask as well. You just need to find the official documentation for that blockchain. So for example, right here, we have the official Polygon documentation on how to add the Polygon chain to our Metamask wallet. I will provide the link in the description. If you also have not seen my ERC20 video, I highly suggest you check that out to get a better idea of transacting with ERC20 tokens within the Ethereum network. Okay, moving along. So there are two ways to add the Polygon network: through Polygonscan or manually. First, we are going to use Polygonscan, which is the easier method. We are going to the Polygon website. You can just Google it. Unlock your Metamask wallet. You can click on this drop-down menu and it will list all the networks your Metamask is connected to. Metamask by default comes with the Ethereum network and its testnet networks, as you see here. At the bottom of the web page, click Add Polygon Network. It will prompt your Metamask to approve adding Polygon. After you click Approve, it will ask if you want to switch to Polygon. This step is up to you. You can always switch between networks by using the same drop-down menu button I've shown earlier. When you are on the Polygon Matic network, their native token is Matic, which is shown instead of Ethereum. So the second method is to add the Polygon network manually by typing in the appropriate settings. So unlock your Metamask wallet, click the drop-down network menu, click Add Network, copy and paste the settings from the Polygon documentation to your Metamask network settings. Click Save when finished. And there you go. Your Metamask wallet is now configured for Polygon Matic.